Ngiyachaza ngibona amantombazana abukela ibhola just because ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kahle lento abayibukela yini yabo. I can't be the only one who understands ukuthi kuyenzakalani. I'm sure nabo they know ukuthi red card, you know, yes, red card.
Yes.
Yes. Linjani red card? Okay. Okay. Please introduce yourself to our viewers with your name, your surname, and the reason you're here today.
My name is Tembi Tukwane. The reason why I'm here is to support this initiative. I create to help a girl child go to school, so that's why I'm here.
Okay. When nasiswami ke. Ngithi mina nawe sikhuluma isiZulu, right? So ngithe mina. Please introduce yourself ngegama lakho nesibongo sakho usho nokuthi why ula namhlanje.
Oh hayi mina ngugugu akaMndebele. Ngila ngizosupporta a team yami engithanda kakhulu.
Player team like
Tiger Brands, obvious.
All right. Okay, so since you have mentioned, right, so you're here because of the whole initiative which is help a girl child to go back to school, right? Ni donated amasokis.
Obvious. Yes.
Ni donated?
Yes.
All right. So looking at the whole initiative, how do you think it helps the community?
How it helps the community?
Yeah.
Because more girl children are able to be empowered and they don't have to depend on a man and go do wrong things to get money. They can, go to school, have a future for themselves and able to just be empowered. Yeah.
Okay. So when this whole initiative isiza kanjani umphakathi?
Isiza abantwana shama bangana nix. Bakhona abantwana bayisikoni benganamasokisi nani so bayancedakala. Nini siphatha ama-pads masiza la, siphatha ama-gausi. So nje sisupport abangenakho. Sikipha lokho kuncane sinakho.
Okay. So mengihleli lapha yaphansi yabo. So like there's a conversation that was going on lapha emva kwami. People were saying that e-government is not doing enough job to make sure that ingane zesikolo they have the basic needs, right? So what's your take on that?
I do agree with that because my mom was a government school teacher, so I've seen her do fundraisings and stuff to ensure that the kids at her school had the bare minimum. So definitely agree that the government is not doing enough. And a lot of people are not going to school because abana pet and whatnot. So yeah.
Okay, so when I right, and there was a conversation that was going on, right? But I don't think the government is doing enough in making sure that in Ghana's school they have the basic needs, right? So what's your take on that?
Vele agenzi nix. Ayikho into ayenza ugovernment ngeke msapoti agenzi nix. Nje kuningi agenzi nix.
All right. Sasibuyele ebholeni manje ke yabo. Neyazi linesman. Linesman. Yeah, you must
outside. Outside okhomba uthi liyale.
Oh.
Yes, lokugijima kakhulu outside.
All right. So let's say mhlambe labantu laba bayagijima oyi1 wangapha kule team uyagijima uyale nebhola ne and then linesman phakamisa iflag yini le
offside.
Hayi bona nelazi ibhola mos. Hayi. Lo lapha phakathi ofake ilontuzana eorange yena uyini? Uref.
Yes.
Yini umsebenzi ka ref?
It's to ensure that people are playing the way that they're supposed to be playing.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So go PSL ni favor mapha ma team.
PSL nani konje? In favor Chiefs.
Oh, ushilo kahle nje wathi leziwa. Iku PSL.
Mazelapi. Now
Ayidliwa yenza.
Ayidliwa.
Yenzani mengadliwa?
Yenzeni izan Pirates ewini.
Mina ngikhuluma nge-Chiefs. Okay.
Mina, I'm currently supporting the #1 team in the league.
For now. All right. Okay, sharp. So when uzonginemela 3 of your best players. When now uzonginemela 3 of your best players ku Sundowns, right?
It's Ronian Williams.
Okay.
Umukwena.
Okay.
No Saleng. Oh no, Mudau. I love Mudau.
Okay, sharp. Kule 3 lo mention ne start 1, bench 1 and sell 1. Start 1, bench 1 and sell 1. Ronwen Williams, Mudau, no Mkwena.
I'm struggling to understand the question. What's the question?
The question is, kule 3 le mentionile.
Yeah.
Uthengisa bani?
Ngithengisa ubani?
Ubencha bani? ubani omfake ku starting?
We are obviously putting Roland Williams co-starting.
Okay.
Retla bencha Mokena.
Okay.
And then starting Smutao.
All right. Hayi, sabi. Wena siswami?
njengoba ngingazi muntu njena
Ufave because awazi nomuntu
for life but angazi muntu
kunoThabiso Monyane,
mamela noma
kuno Given, kuno Vilakazi, kuno Lilepo, kuno
uzothanda uvilakazi
uVilakazi, kuno Shabalala.
ushabala ngamgcina kudala bamba igoli amagoli kabi kabi
Ushabalala
oh okay all right
my sister yena ufavor iChiefs ukuthi aba player bayenzani akanandaba yena. Okay, no, before we close it off, word of the day.
hey guys, be safe and life is too short, enjoy every moment nje, enjoy.
Life is too short, enjoy every moment and be safe. Word of the day.
Give yourself grace.
Give yourself grace. Love it. Mwah. Hey, no, thank you so much for your time. Ne? Thank you.